Day 11 of opening the One Piece LABUBUS. We're down. Okay. Our recap. Nico, we got Nico Robin, Frankie, Trafalgar Law, Sanji, Tony Chopper, Nami, Rono, Zoro, Sabo, Monkey D. Luffy, and Jinbei. So, now we're down to just Brooke, Usopp, and the secret. I'm really hoping the secret's in one of these last two boxes. If not, at least we got the full set. Besides him. Alright, let's open this one up for day 11. Here it goes. This one really feels like Usopp. I think it's Usopp. Oh, I was right. Feels like they more elongated Usopp's nose than it already was. Here's him with his bounty poster.